Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Here I solve LeetCode problems and prepare to the code interview. Today's problem number 2870, minimum number of operations to make array empty. You are given a zero-indexed array nums consisting of positive integers. There are two types of operations that you can apply on the array any numbers of times. Choose two elements with equal values and delete them from the array. Choose three elements these equal values and delete them from the array. Return the minimum number of operations required to make the array empty, or -1 if it's not possible. Let's do it. What we can do: first of all, we need to count equal elements, so we need to find how many each numbers in the array. And after it, we need to minimize number of operations to clear the array. So first of all, we need to try to delete 3 equals elements as much as possible. So first step will be to delete numbers that can be divided by 3, and the remaining number we will try to divide by 2 and delete them. If any numbers exist only in one only one item of some integer, in this case we can delete it, because we can delete only 2 or 3 equal numbers. So we will return -1. Let's do it in the code. First of all, we need to find counts of each number. Let's create a variable counts and use a function from Python library, Python package collections, functions counter with argument nums. It returns a dictionary with keys is numbers and values, how many times is that number in array. Also, we need a result variable with 0 by default and return it. Now we need to check each number in counts, and we need only how many times each number in the array, so we don't need values. So use the method counts values that return list of values, so list of counts for each integer. And the first step is check if count equals to 1. In this case, we can delete it and just return -1, because at least this item will still exist in the array after we will delete all other items. Second step is add to result count divided by 3. It means how many 3 equal values we can delete from the count from nums. And next step, we need to check remaining, so it's count modulo 3. And if remaining greater than 0, we should add 1 to result. Why we add 1 in this case? We can have two types of remainings, 1 or 2. In case of 2, it means we can just delete 2 equals items and add one operation. In case of one, it more difficult case. We can delete one, but we can use three numbers that deleted before. So in total, we will have 4 numbers. So we can delete it with 2 operation. But because we use one of 3 numbers before, so we decrement result by 1 and decrement by 2. So in total, it's still incrementing by 1. And that's it. Let's check tests. It works. Submit it. Yes, it works and very efficient. The algorithm has a time complexity of n because we count each number. So we check each numbers in nums, and the time can be more with increasing size of nums. Else, this algorithm has the memory complexity else of n, so linear, because we created variable counts. This depends on the size of nums. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow. Bye.